boys. Oh! Come here, boy. Yeah! Let's go. Dude, I literally just casted the crankbait and hit the water and he just went. So that top water around this dock.
Yeah.
Not a bad one.
Got some size to it compared to didn't catch it.
Finally, guys, I'm so excited because we've been catching like tiny little guys here, and finally crankbait just touches the water and he nails it. Oh yeah, I had him hooked good. Come out of there. He nailed it. Here's the fish, boys. A lot better fish than what we've been catching. It's like a 2.5 pounder.
Oh yeah.
All right, here he goes, boys. Back into the depths. All right, 1-0, boy. Got another one, boys. Little tiny dude. But he's a fish. Got him doing the same thing, reeling those crankbaits around these docks. Teeny weeny. Smallest fish yet. Alright guys, so that is the second fish I caught. First one was a lot bigger, but all of them have been on the crankbait. Noah's over there with me. He's been fishing a lot. He's been having some bites, and he has a mystery tackle box with him, so he's fishing with those baits too. But all right now has been a crankbait. I got a few more docks over here I want to fish, and then we might go in a creek over there where a guy told us he caught a lot of fish. So let's go. All right, well, I cut it off, but nice little spot, crankbait around the docks. Here he goes. We gotta get something bigger though. I'll catch one right there. Oh. Yeah. That's why I gave you that one. All right, Noah just caught his first fish. Hit the record button again, so did not get it. But the bass hit him right next to his kayak, so might be onto a little bit of pattern. I don't know, but there's tiny fish except for that one. Oh, there's a car. Oh, he's trying to eat it. Oh, he got it. Got a gar, boys. Oh, oh my God. Dang, he yeeted over my rod and almost took it in the water. Well, right now, boys, they do not want the slow-moving baits. You can only catch them on the crankbait. So we're just gonna keep throwing that until they stop hitting the crankbait. Got one, boys. Flipping the pylons. Oh. First fish in a while, guys. Have not been on it. Just popped off on one, and then I continued to flip these pilings where I popped off, and not a bad fish. About a 1.5 pounds. Look at all the crack and crawl. Got that orange color. I think it's called Bama craw. Alright, boys, Noah's got a big fish. I'm going over with the net job. Alright, bring him right here. Oh yeah! That's a 3.5. Oh, he's skinny. That's a big fish. Guys, right where I had that one with the spinnerbait, I don't know if y'all remember, but on that piling over there. Here you go, sir. He's got a big head, but he's just post-spawn skinny. If it was thick, it would be a 4-pounder all day, but... Oh, nice.
Oh yeah.
It is a almost 4-pounder. 377. That's a good one. All right, release. Big girl. All right, so I'm gonna be using this crack and crawl. Noah's gonna be using that weightless Senko Texas rig style, kinda. Well, with the worm hook instead of the wacky worm hook.
Yeah.
But we're just gonna fish around here. Hopefully we can get some more of those. Yeah. We have figured out the pattern. Tiny one. Little spot, but we have figured out the pattern. On these bridge pilings with the little slow moving bait, and that is the key. That's been the key right now. Oh, never mind. It's not bad though. I thought he was a lot bigger. Well, not bad one. Just around this bridge area, guys. Rolling the crack and crawl like I've been saying. That's all I got for you guys for today. That's the pattern. That's what I'm gonna stick with. Not a bad fish. 1.5 pounder. Cast it right in that, like, I like to call those like mangrove trees. Yeah, here goes the fishy. All right, guys, that is it for today. Got some good bass today. All on the Texas rig, except for that a few on the crankbait, which actually my biggest one came on crankbait. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just casted the crankbait right as it hit the water. He nailed it. It was crazy. Right next to my kayak. That was probably one of the coolest eats I've ever had. But as the day moved on, they slowed down. Crankbait wasn't getting them anymore, and I moved to the Texas rig with a peg on it, which is bobber stop, and it holds the weight there, and that allows you to flip things and all that a lot better. It makes for like more accurate, like makes the bait go straight down instead of when the weight slides on the Texas rig. But anyways, the crack and crawl Googan squad bait, that was the ticket. And that is it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See ya.